by day, day by day. Oh dear Lord, three things I pray: to see Thee more clearly, love Thee more dearly, follow Thee more nearly, day by day.
Hi folks, you just see those three videos of your mother, how they were hitting her in the head as she was covering her head like this. You would have seen her hitting her in the head. She's got mild case of dementia, so they're trying to bring it on even more. That's how they cause Alzheimer's disease, who knows, but it's been hitting her head constantly, and she's been having delusions, which I thought, saying she's seeing things and people that aren't there. Well, I know they can project images. I don't know how they do it through lasers or whatever they do, but they can project images. I've seen it before in my early days getting gang stalked, when it wasn't electronic, it was more psychological. And on the first days, one stage was in a bus trying to pick up somebody for a job, and they projected somebody's image at a bus stop, and I then calling this person, he sort of looked up at me and just disappeared. I thought, oh, am I seeing a ghost? And I worked out down the track that they have projectors that project images like that. And I used it a few times on me, and I just laughed at it, and I never did it again. But I've been doing it to my mother, and she thinks she's going crazy seeing things, but they're hitting her in the head at the same time, so they're bringing on her dementia even more and more, and she's getting more delusional because of it every day, and more effects from the harassment they're giving her as well now. They can't get me, so they'll hit her. My last video I told you I was in hospital for 2 weeks. The Queensland Mental Health decided if I complain about using weapons, I must be delusional, so they had me in the mental health, so now it's mum's turn, I'd say. It's one way of controlling you, I suppose. If they can't get you, and they'll just keep going with something like that, just so they can keep you down and pension you off, and keep you in their program and under their control. Just something I might have shown you before, but another way of earthing. You get yourself a little nail and some copper wire, wrap it around the nail. Get yourself 2 earth magnets and put some foil around it, and snap on the copper wire. That'll attach it to some other foil and put it on your heart. If they're trying to pulsate your heart, it takes electricity off your body, so a thing you can use to protect yourself.